Friday.
So what's going on, guys? It's your boy Darius, back at it again with another video. So as you can tell here, boy's now got some Dinowax. He got a box to unbox. So after a year, my boy Jeremy has finally talked me into ordering some Dinowax products. So I'm gonna put y'all on my head mount, which is right here, so we can unbox this. So catch y'all in a second. So I've got the GoPro strapped onto my head, which is right there, so I can see exactly what your boy's doing. Plus it's blocking my address because I don't want no stalkers coming to find me. So let's go ahead and get this box on open. So, we have now got the box open. Let's go ahead and do some looking. So, this is the Dinowax Wash and Wax. Jeremy has used this with me, and it's like really good. Plus, it actually smells pretty good. So, pretty excited about that. I also have the tire dressing, which you have to apply with a rubber with like a sponge, and it's supposed to last a lot longer, which it did on my tires when Jeremy used it on mine. So that's the tire dressing. Let's see what else we got in here, guys. This is the wax. We got the number 4 Express Wax. So we're gonna, I haven't really waxed a car in like 6 years, so we're gonna test that on out. And we also have some leather cleaner, because your boy's leather is looking a little, it's looking a little raggedy. It's looking just a tad bit raggedy. All right, so what is this? Oh, this is the cleaner. This is interior cleaner. I think I messed up ordering that, but oh well, we're gonna rock with it. Now there should be, okay, there's a lot more stuff in here than what I thought it was gonna be. This is the Show Shine. It's like an all-purpose shine. So didn't really order that. I guess they send some extra stuff. And then this is the leather cream, which is supposed to actually kind of, supposed to clean and soften and revive your leather. So we're gonna make sure to try that. And then we have a big huge bottle of glass cleaner. Like, I wasn't really expecting it to be that big. So I'm gonna take y'all off my head as I set the rest of this up. So I'm gonna take y'all off my head. Alright, so this is all the Dinowax stuff we got. Now, I'm gonna turn y'all around. Now, wait. There we go. Now, we got the bundle that they have on the website. You order 6 products and you get a discount for like a bundle. So we got that, and I know we got the wash and wax, the leather cleaner, leather cream, the wax, the tire dressing, and the glass cleaner. But apparently, we did not order this, but apparently Dinowax just sends free stuff. Like I said, we did not order that, but it got sent to us. So we're going to try it out, and we're going to rock with it. So we're probably going to use this probably sometime in the next few days, and then I'm going to give my first impressions review after I wash my car with the stuff I have. So make sure to subscribe, and make sure to like this video and share it, and comment down below if you have any questions about Dinowax. Now, I'm also going to put Jeremy's discount code down below because I don't have one. So I'm gonna put his discount code down below. And so we're gonna have that. And I think that's it. So make sure to come back. I am out. I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Peace.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow.